Welcome back, students. Today in this video we'll discuss about the new chapter from your civics section, that is media and democracy, your chapter 5th. Students, before we get to know what is media, firstly we have to know that why this media and democracy is in your chapter. In previous chapter, you all have studied about democracy, government, types of democracy, right? So, from where you are getting all these information about the governments? Think about it. Of course, from the TV, radio, internet, newspaper, magazine, right? So that's why we have this chapter in your civics section, that how this media is related with democracy, how this media plays a significant role in democracy. Students, media provide us the complete and latest information about the important events taking place around us. It's only through media that we are able to know about the working of the government for the welfare of its citizens. Now, the next one is, before we are starting about democracy and media, firstly we get to know about what is media. Students, media is the plural form of the word medium, which means a way of communicating information to the people. In simple words, we can say that media is what? It is a way by which information is passes through one person to another person. Students, this word is derived from the Latin word midus, means middle or between. In this way, we can say that media refers to the various ways through which we communicate in the society. And what are the ways? We have many ways, that is telephone, television, radio, newspaper, magazine, etc. So maybe you have understood about what is media. बेटा मीडिया मीन्स क्या है? एक माध्यम है, एक ज़रिया है कि कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके पास है या कंट्री में कहीं पे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन है, कुछ घटित हुआ है, तो वो चीज़ अगर सोसाइटी में बतानी है तो किस तरह से बताई जाएगी, वो कौन सा वे है जिससे कि वो इन्फॉर्मेशन सारे लोगों तक पहुंच सके. तो कौन से वे हैं हमारे पास? टेलीविज़न है, रेडियो है, थ्रू टेलीफोन, इंटरनेट, न्यूज़पेपर, ये सारे वेज हैं, ये सारे माध्यम हैं जो इन्फॉर्मेशन को पास ऑन करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दे ऑल आर मीडिया. Students, we have one more term, that is mass media. So don't get confused between media and mass media. Mass media consists of the various means by which information reaches large number of people, such as TV, radio, movies, newspaper and internet. Media is what? ये जो टीवी है, रेडियो है, मूवी है, न्यूज़पेपर है, इंटरनेट, ये मीडिया है. अब मास मीडिया क्या? जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें प्रोवाइड करनी है वो किस किस के थ्रू हम कर रहे हैं? क्या वो सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू कर रहे हैं या फिर इंटरनेट के थ्रू कर रहे हैं या रेडियो या टेलीविज़न? ये जो सारे वेज हैं, इन सब का कलेक्शन हमने क्या कहा? मास मीडिया. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वी हैव टाइप्स ऑफ मीडिया. We have two types of media. First one, print media, and second is electronic media. So, what is this print media? Print media include newspaper, magazine, books, periodicals, journal, etc. Why we are telling this print media? Because these all are in the form of print documents. They are collectively called print media. And next we have electronic media. TV, radio, internet, cinema, etc. are called electronic media. Why? Because they all need electricity to access them. अगर हम टेलीविज़न चला रहे हैं, रेडियो चला रहे हैं, इंटरनेट चला रहे हैं, हमें क्या चाहिए? Of course we need electricity to access them. That's why they these all media are known as electronic media. So students, we have this print media that consisting of paper and ink, and it's a traditional mechanical process. Nowadays these electronic media are in progress. Okay. After that, next we have role of media in our life. We have this topic, role of media in democracy. First of all, we get to know that what's the role of media in our life. First we have information. So media provide us with complete and latest information about important events taking place around us, whether it is of government or foreign government regarding our country or other country. So it provides all the latest information to us. Next we have political awareness. Okay, so political awareness is being informed about what is going on in politics, how it impacts you and your community. Political awareness is knowing and understanding all sides to the story. For example, whatever party is in politics, we should get to know each and every information and their point of views for the people and for the society. Next, we have social awareness. Social awareness means what? Whatever is being happening in the society, we should aware of our environment, and it's only because of media we get every information related to our society. And next we have about education. Whatever the new policies is implemented in education through the government, and why this education is very much important for us, these all we get from the media. Okay, it means in another country which type of education provided to the students, and in India which type of education is provided to the students of India. So we can get to know and we can compare our education system to other countries also. From where? When media provides this information to us. Next we have economic awareness. Economic awareness means कि हमारे देश में किस तरह की इकोनॉमी है, कितनी ऊपर जा रही है इकोनॉमी, कितनी नीचे जा रही है, दूसरी कंट्री की इकोनॉमिक कैसी है. तो ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें किससे मिलती है? मीडिया से. नेक्स्ट वी हैव एंटरटेनमेंट, एडवर्टाइजिंग, एंड दिस वन यू ऑल नो दैट entertainment means your Cartoon Network, your movies and all other things you are getting through the media. Next is advertising of different types of products. Okay, so these all are the role of media in current scenario, or we can say this role of media in our life.